Welcome back, tutorial fans. This time I'm going to show you how to use Whiteboard in Teams. So let's head over there now. Now that you're in Teams, head over to the plus symbol at the top, click that and take a few moments and you'll find the Whiteboard tab. There we go, that's it. Give it a few moments, it will load. You can stop it from posting into the chat, you can rename it, and then you hit save. Here we get the option of doing whatever we need to do. So we've got different pen options, we've got rubber options, you get the plus symbol, you can add notes, text, shapes, reactions, images, templates or documents. I'm going to stick in a note here, so just click on that and click away. You can have different colours and you can also zoom out so you can see them all better, which is really helpful. If you want to add a reaction to it, a quick emoji there, that'll be really easy. Bit of text. There we go, hello. And that all moves around. And you can also write on the actual notes itself, so each individually has something written against it. And that is Whiteboard in Teams.